लाइव ನಾನು नीचे बरूँ वेलकम में लिखा है जो एल के गवर्नमेंट इंस्ट्रक्शन 15 9 12 दिन उधर विंटर बॉन्ड अदरवाइज तो फर्स्ट टू स्टार्टिंग समर दिस इज विंटर बॉन्ड मैं लाइव हूँ। हाँ जी गुड। आईटी मैन कुछ अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं। लाइव ये आईटी वाले सुन सकते हैं। एट 40 का टाइम था ना। बच्चों के लिए चल रहा है। बच्चों के लिए लगाने हैं देखा गई हमारा ऐसा फोटो से कंफर्टेबल आप बिल्कुल स्कूल के साथ साथ ये नजदीक श्यामला जी अच्छा तो what is the timeline where to be open the schools? So because आगे
बोर्ड की जो क्लासेस है उसको लगा आगे
बस 15 और विंटर बॉन्ड है तो 15 का समर बॉन्ड फर्स्ट ऑफ का वो डेली पूरा से लेवल वो ध्यान नहीं था आपका डे 1 था। हाँ आपके लिए 19 का बाद गया है इम्पोर्टेंट काफी नहीं थी मॉर्निंग सर
वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग एंड आप सब
मॉर्निंग सर
सर आप इधर कोड दिया
मुख्य अतिथि सहित सभी गणमान्य मंच पर पधार चुके हैं। मैं सम्माननीय प्रधानाचार्य महोदय जी से आग्रह करूंगा कि वो मंच पर आएं और आज किस पावन बेला के शुभ अवसर पर मेहमानों के आगमन पर स्वागत के रूप में दो शुभ वचन कहें।
Morning everyone. I wish you a very happy Republic Day, and I'm thankful to our Honorable Chairman of the School Managing Committee, our unit head and school manager, Sir Sri Jamal ji, and all functional head and all DH and head of the departments. You have spared your valuable time and come for this on this auspicious occasion. So I'll request my all teacher, please give them a round of applause and welcome them to the ABPS. Thank you. Now I'll request Mr. Ruplal to proceed further.
थैंक यू सर। मैं मुख्य अतिथि महोदय जी से करबद्ध निवेदन करूंगा कि वो मंच की तरफ आएं और आज के इस पावन दिन को याद रखते हुए ध्वजारोहण करें। माननीय मुख्य अतिथि महोदय जी, इसी के साथ सभी गणमान्य व्यक्ति एवं मेरा विद्यालय परिवार सभी खड़े हो जाएं और देश के मान सम्मान में राष्ट्रगान सब मिलकर गाएं। धन्यवाद।
भारत माता की जय।
धन्यवाद। सभी आगंतुक मेहमानों का आज की इस गणतंत्र दिवस की पावन बेला के ऊपर अध्यापकों के द्वारा देश के सम्मान में, तिरंगे के इस मान में एक छोटी सी प्रस्तुति आपके सामने पेश है। हिंद देश के निवासी, तो ये छोटी सी प्रस्तुति। धन्यवाद।
रंग
धन्यवाद मुख्य अतिथि महोदय जी। गंगा यमुना ब्रह्मपुत्र अलग अलग जगह से बह रही है, लेकिन संकेत मिल रहा है कि ये समुद्र में जाकर के उस क्षीर सागर में जाकर के एक हो जाते हैं। उसी प्रकार इस भारत देश के अंदर, इस हिंदुस्तान के अंदर अलग अलग जाति, अलग अलग धर्मों के लोग रह रहे हैं, लेकिन विशेषता इस हिंदुस्तान की अनेकता में एकता। बड़ा गर्व का विषय। मैं ज्यादा ना कहूंगा, मैं परम श्रद्धेय मुख्य अतिथि महोदय जी से हस्तबद्ध निवेदन करूंगा कि वो मंच पर आए और आज के इस पावन दिवस के ऊपर अपने सुवचनों से हम सब के लिए कृतकृत्या करें। माननीय मुख्य अतिथि महोदय जी।
Respected principal, my colleagues, teachers, और मुझे बताया गया है कि we are live now जी, we are being screened. So all the dear students, those who are listening me, सबसे पहले आप सभी को हमारे राष्ट्र के 72वें गणतंत्र दिवस के अवसर पर हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। I am very happy that during this pandemic time and these controlled lifestyle, our school APPS Baga, we have organized the honor for tricolor. So thank you everyone first of all for having gone this way. We were here on 15th August also. We prayed that 26th Jan would not be this way. We wanted to have more of these students, but because of the exercised controls which are still in the country, we are not able to have the time with dear students. I pray to the God that next occasion, that is Independence Day function, we have with the spirit which we already and every time we used to have in the school. So Principal Sahib and all the staff, you must also take that care for everyone, and with me, everyone, we must pray that we have the normalcy restored very, very soon. I am very happy that when we come to the school, it's a matter of discipline and nice moments to see that these teachers, although that musical bonanza is not available, but thank you TR sir and your team, all the teachers, for presenting this beautiful song for which gives a message to unite everyone being in the country with so many geodiversity. I was speaking the plant. I would again like to share with the teachers here that our plant team also is highly challenged with the amount of geographical situation. With the fact in hand that we are in the state of Himachal Pradesh with the lot of mountains around. So Ravi ji, we work from 600 meter sea level to 1600 meter sea level. So 1 kilometer is the challenging situation for all our plant mates, and thank you for all my teammates. all the teachers, all the students for working very successfully for the development of the community around. We are situated in the rural part of the country, and it becomes our responsibility that whatever we have learned so far, we impart good amount of education, we impart good amount of learning, whatever we have received so far. So I am happy when I see around that school is progressing well. There were good news about your Children's Science Congress and everything. And more importantly, the way country has progressed in this pandemic situation. So you all and all the teachers, I must place on the record that all the teachers, you have contributed really very successfully, and everyone being in their home, in the poor communication part also again being at Baga, we have done the virtual classes, we have organized the exams, we have used Google Forms. So my compliments to Raviji, to you, and to all teachers, to all your teammates. So please keep going for that. And as again I was talking that our country being so diverse in every dimensions, we every day face some one or other challenge. There are many countries whose size and shape is much smaller than the states which we have in our country. So why I speak this? Today I was reading last week that whenever whatever challenges comes in the hand, maybe in the school, in the education system, maybe in our industrial culture, we must embrace these challenges with a good amount of happiness. Instead, just getting that this is the pain area, we must face that challenge, and we must challenge this challenge. So this is what is my take every time. Today on the our parade, which is there at our national capital, so there are certain challenges. Our country is a agri-headed country, but there have been some difficult situation in the country, you all know. So the driving factors, maybe I don't have all those good details what is happening around, but in those given conditions we have ensured, our country is ensured to take everyone along to work very successfully, and this gives a message that we must take everyone along, every member of the community along. We may be challenged on certain occasions, but we must try to keep the common goal on the top of the mind. Being in the education system, please keep on finding the new avenues, what other schools are doing, what best schools are doing, and what best we can do. That is what is my request to you all. And there would be a gap when children would be returning to school. I'm told by principal sir, maybe February would be the time, or I don't know whether March would be the time. But there would be a challenge, the kind of your teaching, your engagement with the students, there would be some amount of gap. So we need to work on getting back these students to the situation, because my younger son is also from the school, and I see the very great amount of change in the lifestyle. So as teachers, I would request you also, maybe you are also having kids, so please embrace that challenge also. How to get back these children back to the school schedule would be a challenge to all the teachers, and I'm sure with the abilities you guys have, and we'll be able to overcome these things very soon. Regarding COVID, we were talking in the plant a while before. Certain developed countries are still facing challenges, so keep reviewing the situations around. And in August we were talking about, when we were sitting in the same chairs, that some countries, when they opened their schools, there was some difficult state they were faced. So I would request with our school manager Jamalji also to continuously keep a tab on the happening around, what is the situation about pandemic. And Raviji, I think we will take a call accordingly. Yes. We will not be in a hurry, because we are in a township kind of culture, and people come from different places. The safety of children would be on the top of the mind. As management, I would like to assure you everyone, we will continue support, and the point would be the outgoing children, 12th children is the first and foremost agenda. Then they step into the next career. So let us take care of those students, those who are passing class 12, and the board students, and plus the younger kids. So we need to have different mindsets for every student, and we should take a very judicious call how to restart, when to restart. So wish you all the best. Thank you for calling us here. I see good, you send message to everyone, and many people, colleagues have come from the plant. So also keep calling the colleagues for the school requirements. You have many infra activities, our admin colleagues, doctor and everyone. So there have been some gap. We want to come, but sometimes time doesn't permit. But Raviji, I would request you keep calling these colleagues so that they come here and they provide you support. This road also, I was saying that, Jamasa, when do we restart this road as possible? We need to do some fencing on the sides, Mamaji, which we were discussing. So we must do that. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, Rublal ji. आपने भी विविधता की बात की. And thank you, Ravi ji. And I wish you and all staff, all dear children, the very best and time to come. Once again, Happy Republic Day. Jai Hind, Jai Himachal.
धन्यवाद मुख्य अतिथि महोदय जी। यह तो सत्य है, मुख्य अतिथि सहित कार्यात्मक प्रमुख सहित विभागाध्यक्ष सहित विद्यालय के प्रति जो समर्पण भाव, उसके लिए प्रधानाचार्य सहित विद्यालय का पूरा परिवार हमेशा ऋणी है। इसके पश्चात मातृभूमि, कर्मभूमि के सम्मान में वंदे मातरम आपके सामने प्रस्तुत है। वंदे मातरम। सॉरी सर सॉरी सर। हाँ, चाय पान करने के पश्चात जो है हम तब तक के लिए थोड़ा सा ब्रेक ले लेंगे। धन्यवाद।
जी को देख के ना हमारे वाजपेयी जी की याद आती है। हमारे क्लास डिपार्टमेंट में एक है।
School is in New Punjab, Baga. Pradhan ji is same. Pradhan ji is same. चलने तो सर स्कूल तो ध्रुवड़ में है ना, वो सेम निशा देवी जी सेकंड
अभी वहाँ से ना इसका मुड़ना चाहिए।
हाँ, मैं सभी से अनुरोध करूंगा कि वंदे मातरम संगीत गीत के सम्मान में सभी अपने स्थान पर खड़े हो जाएं। तो प्रस्तुत है मातृभूमि के सम्मान में ये वंदे मातरम।
Hare
धन्यवाद। अंत में परम सम्माननीय मुख्य अतिथि महोदय जी, निरीक्षक विवेक प्रबंधक महोदय जी, सभी कार्यात्मक प्रमुख एवं सभी विभागाध्यक्ष, समस्त विद्याओं के आगार प्रधानाचार्य महोदय जी की तरफ से एवं विद्यालय परिवार की तरफ से आप सब मेहमानों का विद्यालय आगमन पर दिल की गहराइयों से स्वागत एवं बहुत कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद। व्यस्तता के समय में आपने अपना कीमती समय हमें दिया, तो उसके लिए पुनः हम सभी की तरफ से आप सबका कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।